Again po, mouth and lips, sign and symptoms pa rin po ang topic natin, mouth ulcers, number 2. The most common causes of mouth ulcers are stomach heat, which causes the ulcer to have a red rim on the upper of the gums or inside the cheeks, and the heart fire, which causes the ulcers to appear on the tip of the tongue. Mouth ulcers may also derive from deficiency either of yin, normally accompanied by some empty heat, or of stomach qi and spleen qi. In addition, mouth ulcer may be caused by yin fire, which is characterized by some heat above and deficiency of the original yuan qi. A sudden attack of ulcer inside the cheeks may accompany an external invasion of yin heat. Full stomach heat. So ulcers with a red rim on the gums or inside cheeks, bleeding gums, thirst, foul breath, burning epigastric pain, sour regurgitation, nausea, excessive hunger, a feeling of heat, red tongue with a yellow coating, overflowing rapid pulse. So acupuncture po natin is stomach 44, large intestine 4, and large 11. Large intestine 11. Heart fire. Tongue ulcers. Thirst, bitter taste, palpitation, mental restlessness, feeling agitated, insomnia, dream disturbed sleep, feeling of heat, red face, red tongue with redder teeth, and yellow coating. Overflowing and rapid pulse. So acupuncture pa natin ang heart 8, water punch yun, large intestine 11, and large intestine 4. Stomach and spleen qi deficiency with yin fire. Pale ulcers on the gums or inside cheeks, slightly red or pale face with a floating red color on the cheeks, intermittent in recurrent feeling of heat in the face but cold limbs, intermittent sore throat, dry mouth, dry lips, exhaustion, poor appetite, poor digestion, weak limbs. Pale tongue, weak or overflowing empty pulse. These ulcers are due to yin fire. As described by Li Dongyuan in his discussion on stomach and spleen. So acupuncture, RAN 4, RAN 6, RAN 12, large intestine 4, and spleen 9. Yin deficiency with empty heat. Ulcers with a pale rim, aggravated by overwork and lack of sleep. Dry throat at night, feeling of heat in the evening, night sweating, mild palm heat, malar flush, red tongue without coating, floating, empty, and rapid pulse. Other symptoms and signs depend on the organ involved. Acupuncture is spleen 6, kidney 3, RAN 4 to nourish yin. Other points to clear empty heat depend on the organ involved. Liver fire. Ulcers inside the cheeks, very painful and red in color, thirst, bitter taste, headache, red face, dizziness, tinnitus, irritability, propensity to outbursts of anger, constipation, dark urine, red tongue with redder side, and dry yellow coating, wiry rapid pulse. Toxic heat. Ulcers inside the cheeks that are red, festering and ooze, sticky yellow pus, fever, thirst, red tongue with red points, and thick sticky yellow coating, overflowing slippery rock. Invasion of wind heat with phlegm. Ulcer inside the cheeks that are red and swollen, and oozing yellow pus. Aversion to cold, fever, cough, sore throat, stuffed or runny nose, with yellow discharge, headache, body ache, slight sweating, slight thirst, swollen tonsils, nausea, vomiting, a feeling of oppression of the chest, tongue slightly red on the side in the chest, area or on front part, floating rapid pulse. Invasion of wind cold with kidney deficiency. Ulcers inside the cheeks that are swollen and have a white rim. Aversion to cold, fever, cough, itchy throat, slight breathlessness, stuffed or runny nose with a clear watery discharge, sneezing, occipital headache, body aches, thin white coating, tongue white coating, lower back ache, dizziness, tinnitus, pale tongue, floating, tight pulse. Clinical note, remember for mouth ulcers on the gum and inside the cheeks in women, treat the directing vessels irrespective of the pattern causing them. If they are on the tongue, treat the heart channels, especially heart 5. Treatment note, so stomach heat, stomach 44, large intestine 11, heart 5, heart 8, large intestine 11, and Hegu. Stomach empty heat, large intestine Hegu, large intestine 11, stomach 44. Run 12, spleen 6, yin 5, LI Hegu, large intestine 11, stomach 44, run 6, and run 4. So basta't may heat, stomach 44 water points po yun eh. Cool down. Thank you po for your attention.